Hello and welcome to TTV News broadcast on Tay Ninh radio and television station with some latest event in Tay Ninh province. And now we come into details. Ladies and gentlemen, in the morning of December 24, 2020, at the Nam border gate, Tay Ninh Provincial Border Guard Command offered its band to the military job zone of Veng province and police station of Miên Chey International Border Gate, worth 50 million Vietnam dong for it to support them in COVID-19 pandemic prevention.
Colonel Lê Hồng Vương, commander of the Provincial Border Guard Command, hoped that in the coming time the two sides will continue to work closely together in border protection, effectively fighting against crimes, strengthen patrol and control, thoroughly prevent illegal entry and exit, together perform well the task of preventing COVID-19 epidemic on the two sides of the border. On behalf of the leaders of the two units, Colonel Bun Pe, Deputy Commander of the Military Subzone of Veng Province, and Major General Van Piepser, Chief of the Police Station at Miên Chey International Border Gate, expressed their gratitude to the attention of Tay Ninh Provincial Border Guard Command. In the coming time, the two sides will continue to work closely with each other, ensure order and safety in the areas of the two sides of the border, join hands to control the spread of the epidemic outbreak.
In the morning of December 24, Vietnam Social Insurance held an online conference to implement tasks in 2021 at the main Brisbane of Vietnam Social Security and 63 Brisbane as the social insurance of province and centrally run city with 646 Brisbane at the social insurance of districts. Attending and directing the conference, there was Deputy Prime Minister Vũ Đức Đam.
In 2020, the Vietnam social insurance sector has implemented synchronous solutions to ensure completion and exceed the number of targets. For 2021, the social insurance sector continues to work closely with ministry sectors and localities to complete and promote the dissemination of the system of policies and laws on social insurance, health insurance, and unemployment insurance, focus on improving infrastructure, centralized database system, national database on insurance, strive to increase the number of people participating in social insurance. Speaking at the conference, Deputy Prime Minister Vũ Đức Đam suggested that the social insurance sector needs to develop plans, promote propaganda, and mobilize people to participate in social insurance. It should provide low-value insurance package to facilitate the majority of people to participate towards sustainable social security goals. The Office of the Provincial People's Committee, in coordination with the Department of Information and Communication, MPKV Corporation, have the conference to introduce a video camera or PKV joint stock company in order to orient and implement the project of building the digital government of Tay Ninh Province in the period of 2020-2025 of the Provincial People's Committee, with a vision to 2030 to use and operate information technology systems and surveillance cameras for the development of smart urban services. Mr. Nguyễn Tấn Đức, Deputy Director of the Department of Information and Communication, emphasized that the emergence of artificial intelligence, or AI, has made the supervision of public administration, public order, security, health, education, traffic, and national security more effective. AI camera can conduct facial recognition, intelligent attendance, support public administration, receive people like a human. It can also hear and understand human instructions and can speak its talk like a human, as well as detect and warn traffic safety violations. In the morning of December 24, Mr. Trần Văn Hưng, Chairman of the Farmers Association of Tay Ninh Province, attended the handover ceremony of loans to members of poor farmers in difficult circumstances in Nang Tỉnh Quơ, Trảng Bàng Thảo. This time, 20 members of poor and disadvantaged farmers were borrowed capital to invest in breeding cows for reproduction, with the total amount of 500 million Vietnam dong, in which each household can borrow with the amount amount of 25 million Vietnam dong for 30 segments with the interest rate of 0.7% per month. The funding was brought from the Central Farmer Support Fund. After the ceremony, the household participating in the project were trained to transfer science and technology on how to breed and prevent diseases for cows. At the same time, the fund will be handed over directly to each household to buy breeds. The support for poor and difficult members to borrow loans with low interest rates will create favorable conditions for members to open the direction of husbandry for the development of family economy, increased income, hunger eradication, and poverty reduction, contributing to building a new style countryside and a civilized urban area. Tay Ninh City has started implementing urban embellishment, strict lighting decoration in many main roads and downtown areas. With the theme of development and prosperity, 8 modular clusters are installed in the sidewalk in the April 30 road from the intersection of Lê Lợi Street to the intersection of Pasteur Street, with the images of high-rise buildings together with colorful firework display, the symbolic meaning of brilliant prosperity, showing a Tay Ninh on a period of continuous development. Meanwhile, Trường Nam roundabout will be decorated with Style 4.0 technology with images with the eye-catching and solemn colors. On the Điện Biên Phủ Road, 40 clusters of decorative motifs have been installed. The other routes will be repaired, supplemented, and installed LED decorative lighting systems.
Ladies and gentlemen, red giant bamboo shoots are used to protect the lizard disease, which are popular with many people. In addition, the ripe bamboo shoot can be canned for export. The type of food has been loved by both domestic and foreign markets. After experimental plantings of giant bamboo for bamboo shoots on 1 hectare of floor land for a good income, Mr. Tạ Văn Minh, a good farmer from the Farmer Association of Phước Minh Commune, Human Châu District, boldly invested in planting new 1/8 more hectares, even in off-season.
Farmers Association of Phước Minh Commune, Human Châu District has implemented the method of growing bamboo for bamboo shoots in off-season for 3 years. Currently, there are more than 20 households of farmers in the commune planting bamboo for bamboo shoots with a total area of more than 13 hectares. According to Mr. Nguyễn Trọng Kim, chairman of the Farmers Association of Phước Minh Commune, Human Châu District, this model is working. Bamboo forests are a crop suitable for highland and dry areas, but Mr. Tạ Văn Minh, a good farmer of the Farmers Union Phước Minh Commune, Human Châu District, is expanding the area of growing bamboo for bamboo shoots in the lowland. Currently, I'm experimentally planting 10 hectares of bamboo forests in lowland areas. For a long time, the bamboo for bamboo shoots have been planted in the highland areas. I plant in lowland, so I have to improve the pattern for safe drainage. Among 30 hectares of growing bamboo for bamboo shoots in the whole Phước Minh Commune, the bamboo planting area of Mr. Minh families accounts for 1/3. He was also the first person to grow bamboo in the lowland areas with such a large area. Planting giant bamboo on lowland, Mr. Minh is the pioneer in technique in the commune, making the bed with a distance of 5 to 10 meters, with drainage ditch to facilitate drainage in the rainy season, using manure fertilizer and agricultural byproducts, not affecting the development of bamboo shoots and initially developing well. Obviously, the issues of drainage, keeping the appropriate humidity for the bamboo, ensure the growth and such giving at the right time. Therefore, Mr. Minh has invested in creating a drainage system in the shape of a herringbone, a main branch and many auxiliary branches, making the drainage easier with an automatic sprinkler system. With careful learning, investment and care, Mr. Minh, our tournament bamboo garden is growing well, giving out the first bamboo shoots. According to calculations, in about 22 months or about 2 years after planting, it will give the first harvest. It is estimated that it will give a high income because, according to his experience, Mr. Min said that planting bamboo for bamboo shoots in the right season, the profit opportunities for farmers are great.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today news. Thank you for being with us and goodbye for now.